I'm really appreciative that you were able to spend some of your time with us. I know that it's really hard to find time these days, so I really appreciate that you took some of your time to spend with me. I want to give you a quick intro to the products. Our signature product is our nail wraps, and this is a full-size sheet with 18 wraps on it. And for each fingernail, for each wrap, you get 2 fingernail applications out of it by just simply cutting it in half. We sell these in full size, but we also sell them in junior size. And the juniors are a little bit more narrow and shorter than the full size ones. But these largest width wraps are actually the same width as as the smaller size wraps on the full size. So you can totally wear at least some of these larger ones on your fingers and the rest on your toes, which is really great because some of these junior designs are super cute, but we only sell them in junior. Although we also sell some of these junior ones to match some of the full size ones, which is awesome because then you can do a mommy and me and match your little girl and it makes them feel so special. I even do it with my son. I put a little pumpkin or a little shark on his finger and he just gets so excited. Anyway, if you don't want to use the Jamberry Juniors on your toes, you can actually just use 2 wraps here for an entire pedicure. This wrap you cut in half and you get 1, 2 big toes. And then this wrap you cut in half lengthwise and then across for 8 little pieces. And you do all 8 of your little toes that way. So it's really awesome. In one sheet, you actually get 1, 2 pedicures and then 1, 2 manicures, and then you still have a few wraps over here for accent nails. So it is an awesome value for only $15. To apply your nail wraps, you only need a few little tools, which you probably have on hand, so you don't have to buy this kit from us. But, it could be really handy to buy the kit if you don't have any of these tools or if you just don't know where all your tools are around the house. So this kit is only $12.50 and it comes in this really handy bag that says Jamberry. So hopefully that means that it will alert your housemates, your children, etc., to not touch your stuff. It's your Jamberry stuff. I know I have a problem. I like the kit because everyone in this house is borrowing all my things all the time, like my cuticle scissors and my nail clippers. I never know where they are. So, but it's nice because, this little kit kind of means hands off, people. This is mom's. So the kit comes with these nail clippers, a buffing block to make your nails pretty if you're not wearing jams, uh, alcohol wipes to clean off your nail bed before application, cuticle pusher, nail file, rubber cuticle pusher, which is perfect for really rubbing down the edges of your wrap to get a perfect seal, and these nice little scissors for cutting your nail wraps in half. And you know what? These scissors, I have found them at drugstores for $10 all by themselves. But you can get them in this kit, which is $12.50. So it's kind of like getting your cuticle scissors plus everything else for free. You can also get the kit with or without this cuticle nail oil. We sell the nail oil separately as well. It's $10 all by itself or only $8 if you throw it into a kit. Um, and it's really great for keeping your nail bed really well nourished so your nails grow nice and long and healthy. And it keeps your cuticles well moisturized too so they push out of the way really easily. To apply your nail wraps, you can use a hair dryer or our mini heater. And this mini heater, it kind of just looks like a cell phone, and you turn it on and it's basically silent. So it's perfect because when you're getting together with your girlfriends to do your nails or you're sitting at home trying to watch TV with family members around you, this is totally not distracting at all. Plus, it doesn't get too hot. It won't scorch your nail wraps. And if you're doing this with little kids, you don't have to worry about them getting burned. You can touch this and it won't burn you, which is really nice. I mean, you can do these with a hairdryer. When I started, I did it with a hairdryer. But you can't talk to anyone over that. That's too loud. You can't talk to anyone over that. It's blowing everything around. It's just crazy. So, for $19 for a little heater, it's a really good value. Plus, the heater fits right into your application kit. So it's super easy. If you're not into nail wraps at all, we do sell these lacquers. Our lacquers are comparable to the really high price brands that go for $40 a bottle. They were award winning by Self Magazine and they're free of the top 5 chemicals found in most brands. So like no formaldehyde, no toluene, nothing gross. And the great thing about them, they're so high quality, they have this really rich pigmentation. So even though this is a very light pink, it will only take you one coat to put it on, which is pretty rare with those light colored lacquers. You put that on and it looks super streaky in less quality brands. But this is only one coat and it dries really fast, so you're not going to have any application problems. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below.